Hello! So a lot of you guys have expressed, if this ever wants to, there we go, that you guys want to see more vlogs, and today I'm actually switching out the portions in my closet from sweaters to summer clothes because it's already summer in Arizona, and I figured cleaning my room slash cleaning the mess that my closet is right now would be a good place to start, since today's kind of my day off. I only have like chill, more relaxed schoolwork, so nothing crazy. But yeah, it's definitely something that I should do today, so yeah. So I'm going to start out by taking all of my sweaters. So this portion right here, as you can see, this is all sweaters. This is going to be moving to a different shelf on the closet because this is like easy access. And this is all like long sleeves and sweaters that I'm just not wearing anymore. It is 95 degrees Fahrenheit on the daily. So I am officially like in flowy pants and a t-shirt. So such is life. So let's take all of that out. So I've cleared out this whole section, and it's kind of perfect that I am going to be switching to summer clothes because they're lighter, because this is not taking the heat. My dad previously tried to do a screw in it, but it wasn't the right size screw, and then he just never got back to it. So there's a whole something that I'll ask, because this is a little, you know, not safe. But at least like the heavy stuff is off, and yeah. So this is all where I currently have like formal dresses, regular dresses, and like summer clothes that like you couldn't really layer. So I'm going to take all of that out as well so I can start putting this pile of winter stuff. I know room is a mess right now, but we're cleaning it today, precisely because it's mostly a mess of clothes and I need, you know, to figure out where everything goes. So yeah, I'm going to take what I need because, you know, formal dresses don't really need to come out. And yeah, let's go ahead and take that out. Ugh. I found my black belt, guys, so I don't have to wear my brown one to work anymore. And if I, you know, this is going to be my new, like, weight loss thing. Like, ooh, how many holes can I do, you know? So right now, on record, because, you know, I still have more weight I want to lose, but it's a little bit more slow now that, you know, now that it's been like 20 pounds. But I can get into the second loop. And just to go on record, it is April 5th when I am recording this. So, hot girl summer, let's see where she's at. So, that's cool. I had no idea where this belt was, but I was like, maybe I should buy another belt, because I missed my thick black gold hardware belt. I had one from Gucci, but I ended up selling it because, like, I'm not gonna wear a Gucci belt to work. I'm working like retail, and I was already on the last hole, and it was like kind of loose-ish, like still like hold it together, but not enough to like keep my pants up. So I sold it and bought a YSL one that you guys saw previously in the next size down. So now I have this one, and I'm so glad, because I was just like, brown doesn't always go with what I'm wearing. I don't know. Anyways, woohoo! My mom looked at that and she's like, you have a lot of clothes. And I'm just like, Mom, this isn't even like, okay. This is like the things I wore like during the winter time. I didn't even wear everything. There were just options. And this is like the cute, I don't actually have that much summer stuff because I've always been insecure about my body in summer, but that's about to change. Anyways, she's like, you have so many clothes, but it's like, hello, 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 hello. And I also just dropped stuff, so it's worse. Like the stuff that was up there just came tumbling down, and I think I have more stuff up there that I have to go through. So yeah, not to mention the stuff I've already like kind of gone through. So this is all stuff I've already decided to give away. So yeah, fun stuff. So one thing that I've realized since, you know, turning 25 and actually looking at stuff, and like when I did like the first initial like mini run through of things, is that I feel like I've grown out of a style that, as much as I love, it's still girly and youthful. I feel like just personally I've outgrown it, and I have to accept that am not gonna wear it again. So as much as I love it and think it's cute, or I love the color, it's time to just pass it on, because it's, I mean, you can wear whatever you want, but I just feel like this is something that like the 19, 20, 21, 22-year-old, but I'm 25 and it's like, it's not me. And this is like one thing, for example, this is like a corduroy cute pink little dress that I got at Forever 21, and I wore it once with this other like long sleeve cute turtleneck thing, and you know, it was very in, but I don't know if I would ever wear this again. It's not 25-year-old me, you know? So as much as I love the color and I love like the outfit, it's time to let it go and let someone get more use out of it next winter. Okay, so this is when Victoria's Secret pink was like all the rage, before like Lululemon like put Victoria's Secret into the dust, and I would actually wear this out. Don't wear it out anymore. We'll wear it around the house, but I hate that my hair gets caught in this. I hate it. It pulls my hair out, but it's super comfy. So it's like if I have my hair up in a ponytail, then I wear it around in the winter time, and it's a good like lounge thing. So I don't know if I want to get rid of it, because it's warm and it's comfy around the house. Again, I don't know. We're gonna put this in the maybe pile. Ugh. It's so hard to get rid of things sometimes, huh? Okay, so this is where I have to like tell myself just to let it go, let it go. So I have these two sweaters from like Forever 21 that I used to love, and it's the same. They're like little mock crop sweaters, and I mean, I didn't wear them at all this last winter season, and you know, they're cute. They're very like, they've been worn, but I don't think I'm gonna wear them anymore, really. But I want to keep them because it's not something that like I'm comfortable selling with. So, because they're all pilly and stuff, and I don't know when women's shelters and shelters are gonna start taking clothes again here in Arizona, especially winter clothes. So like I wanted to keep them, and I was about to put them back in my closet, and I was like, no, like you have black sweaters that are nicer that you're gonna wear, and then you replaced the purpose of this pink sweater. So I had to give them up because I have way too many sweaters also. Actually gonna get rid of this one also. I had put it back in my closet thinking like, oh, it's a good lounge one. Like, I don't lounge in it. Like, I already know what I lounge in. So, but this one's actually in a lot better condition than those two. So I think I've tried to get rid of this before and then it never sold. So I'm gonna try again, you know, different times. I think it's cute. I'm not the biggest fan of like black sweaters on me. Like black dresses, sure, but black sweaters, I feel like it pales me out. So I go for lighter ones. So I'm gonna put that in the sell pile. So we've gotten to the portion of the video where I'm trying stuff on, and I don't know if I want to keep it. This is like a cropped, almost faux bodysuit, but I don't know if I'm just, it's not very flattering, is it? I feel like I should get rid of it, especially in the back where it does like the boob situation. I'm just not skinny enough to wear it. I don't know. I always like being, you know, feel like I'm wearing clothes that are flattering, and like while it's okay in the front, in the back, not so much. Don't know. And like if I go like this, it's like wah, wah. And I know I shouldn't care, but when you've trained yourself your whole life and based your clothes on it, oh see, I don't like it. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I haven't worn this since like 2018. Because I loved it in 2018, and then I took pictures in it, and I look back at the pictures and I'm like, And I don't want to feel like that, you know? So I think as much as, you know, it's convenient, it's time to say goodbye. And I'm wearing like stretchy pants with this. I couldn't even imagine what it'd look like with tight pants that like give you a little bit of extra thing. So I'm gonna put this in just the donate pile. It's from Free People, but you know, it's like one of those personal things, you know, that are very close. So we're gonna go. We're gonna say goodbye. So this is the exact same one, but in like a darker color. And I decided to like put shorts on to see how I would actually wear this, not with flowy pants. Sorry. And this one looks better, I think. I mean, I still don't feel like 100% like the most flattering in it, but I feel like this color is a little bit better to wear. And also I had a lot of things that make me feel blown up yesterday, so I don't know. For this one I'll hold on to, just because it's a beautiful color. I don't really have that many colors, and I don't know, maybe this color is a lot more flattering. But again, feeling very pudgy, look very pudgy right now in my opinion. So yeah, we'll just keep this one for a little bit. That one's going though. Also, I need to remind myself to wear this. I feel like with the little bit more straight hair, this looks cute. I don't think I've never actually worn this. I bought this in Spain, thinking like, oh my god, gotta buy stuff. Not necessarily. I like clothes. And then I don't know, I felt like it wasn't my style when I bought it again 3 years ago, and now that again I'm older, I'm just like, this is cute. I love like the look of it. Maybe not with these shorts, but I totally love this shirt now. Funny how your taste changes over time. And I definitely reminder it's nice and light, so it's good for this Arizona weather. So I'm glad I tried this on, and I'm digging it with my more straight hair. Guys, oh, I love this. I only ever worn it once, and then my weight ballooned up for the next like almost like 2 years. So now I fit back into this, and this is so cute. I love it. Again, maybe not with these shorts. I'm not gonna really change out of shorts, but I'm so glad I fit in it. It was a little bit of a struggle getting it over the boob area, but we got it, and I really need to wear this. I love it. It's cute. I got it on Decluttering, and I only got to wear it once, so I'm really glad I fit into it again. This is like my I fit into my clothes again dance. Looked at this and I was like, I'm gonna get rid of this, and then I tried it on and I'm like, this is a cute summer outfit. So more cute. And then like with the peachy makeup and the golden jewelry, I'm like, wow, no, we're keeping her. I just forgot what it looked like on. Again, actually I would wear these shorts because it's like comfortable if I'm gonna eat pasta. There's room. Look, there's a lot of room. Winky, 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 winky. I'm getting into the weird phase. Also, I know the lighting's not the best, but there we go. Here's the outfit. I'm really glad I decided to try it on one last time. And I love the shoulder situation, so it's like, you know, good for the girls who have broader shoulders like I do. It's foofy, doesn't look too bad tucked in. Could even do it with pants, but you know, it's 95 degrees and we're not doing that. I've had this for a while, this shirt for a while too, like maybe 2016, 2017, and I haven't worn it as much, but now that I'm in Arizona, that might change. So, ta-da! Another keep. So this is a DIY. So I took this white shirt that I thrifted and I didn't like anymore because I didn't like, I don't know, there's something about the white shirt, about that one, that I thought I was going to be able to make it work for me. So then I did a quick little DIY, and I kind of dig it. It's nice and light. Did a little thing to the collars, but it's okay, my hair can cover it, but it's very, like, I don't know, it's different. It's not like your average white button down, but it's fun. gotta wash it because it still smells like vinegar, because this is the project I just did. And I was like, oh, since I'm doing stuff to my closet, might as well like bring it in. But it really does smell like vinegar, so I need to do something about that before I decide to wear it. And I also did this with a different top that I think turned out a lot different than this, but let me show you. So I forgot to kind of just mention that I'm going to be including like the process of it. This was a TikTok that I found, and it worked great for her. I don't know if it's because she used a different fabric than I did. I want to say that she used like satin and silk for hers, and I used polyester because that's what I had and I wasn't gonna buy something new to see if this works, so I just used what I have. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you the process where basically you soak your item in water and vinegar for an hour, and then you start planting tissue paper on it. And you want kind of like the cheap tissue paper because you want it to bleed. And I had troubles with that, and you'll see that in the demo that I did, or the process that I did to get these shirts the way that they did. Bucket of water with vinegar. Yes, I'm using my coffee mug from this morning that I rinsed off. Here's Maple, the helper, and add cup to bucket of water. Add thing you want to tie-dye to bucket. Make sure that it gets in there. Soak for an hour. While that's marinating for an hour, I'm going to cut up what I'm going to use to dye the things. So it is actually tissue paper. It's super interesting, and it doesn't look like your typical tie-dye. So while that's in there for an hour, I'm going to rewatch the first season of Gossip Girl, and I'm going to watch the first episode while I cut them into little squares and kind of pick out what colors I want to use. Now that it's been soaking for an hour, the fun part can begin where we start adding all of the tissue paper. So update, it's not actually transferring color, but the darker ones that are wet, if I start rubbing the fabric, the color is starting to come off. But then I would have to do it only with the dark colors and have to rub the entire thing for this to work. So that's not fun. I definitely needed good old Mexican tissue paper that bleeds when it gets wet, because Hallmark does not bleed. Just FYI. And you need it to bleed for it to work. And so because Hallmark tissue paper did not work, I have Party City and Dollar Store. So hopefully one of these will bleed, because that's what we need. So here is just, it's just not working on this shirt. So I took this top that I wore at Coachella. It's also 100% polyester, but that's vintage polyester, and this is new polyester. And you guys, do you see that? Do you see that? It's starting, barely, but it's starting to come off. Ah! We got a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. So this is how that top turned out, a lot more colorful. Again, only the dark colors bled, but it looked a lot better than the other shirt. I didn't film an outro to this video, so thanks for watching. I appreciate it so much. Wanted to share a little bit of my closet clean out, and it's nowhere near done, so we'll definitely have a part 2. And stay tuned for that. Have a good one. Bye.